Hello, welcome to another of my chemistry video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make sodium silicates, aka the water glass. So first you need to get yourself a borosilicate cup, or beaker if you wish to call it as. And we're gonna add a little bit of sodium hydroxide. Just measure it out manually by eye. You can also use a weight if you're like stoichiometric. Make sure it's not too much. If you find you add a little bit too much, you can always dump it back since it's dry. Here we go. If you want to make different dilutions of it, you can use different concentration of caustic soda, but I prefer to add a little bit more. As you can see here. Now, this is the most crucial steps. Most people get it wrong. You just add some cold water to your caustic soda. Some may spill out, but don't worry. Now you have to mix the entire mixture very quickly, as a lot of heat will be generated. When it's heat up, now you can dump the silica gel in it. Get your dry silica gel. Add it straight in, as you keep on stirring. Make sure nothing sticks down the bottom of your beaker. You see, a lot of heat has been involved because this reaction is highly exothermic. So that's why you shouldn't never splash caustic soda on people. Anyway, a normal chemist wouldn't really do that either. You can use a conventional stove to heat it up. You can also use a microwave to do the same trick. But right now, what I told you why I said to use a borosilicate cup, because borosilicate, that glass, can be very good at not being shattered from thermal stress. Anyway, I'm gonna put it into my microwave. Here we go. And make sure don't touch the caustic soda on your mixer. I purposely used a piece of steel instead of aluminium because aluminium would just quickly be dissolved away in the caustic soda. And the things about steel, it wouldn't really get dissolved. Here we see it dissolves much faster. And most of the bead is now cracked. That is a good sign to us. Now we just need to break it down simply and try to not splash any caustic soda. Repeat till all the silica bead been dissolved. As now you can see quite a lot of beads being dissolved here. I'm just gonna focus from my cloudy glass. Again. Here we go. And again. Looks it dissolving well. And again. Mixing. Don't worry as all the clouds forms. It's just some water vapor. So you no need to panic. As you can see, mixing in very high speed. Now, after dozens of trials, we will only realize this little things left behind, which is some impurities. It doesn't matter. You can keep it in a solution and you can transfer it into a bottle. And here we go. Just be careful, the solution itself is highly caustic. Anyway, it's better to pour it in a more safely place. But anyway, just going to do it for you. Our solution is very viscous, as you can see here. Pouring it quite slowly. This solution here is extremely viscous now as it cools down. And I definitely wouldn't want to touch it since it's highly caustic. After you transfer your solution, wipe the tip off, as we're gonna put it into transfer with some cling film. Just like this, we're ready to store. And here is our water glass, sodium silicate. This involves different type of silicates bondings with sodium, so don't worry. If you want some stoichiometric, then you definitely need to measure it with an accurate scale. Of course, electronically. And here is my washed up cups. I'm also gonna put my washed up mixing stick, my screwdriver in. All of them in. And now, tada, we're done. Sodium silicate. People may ask, what do you need this for? You might also want to use this to join ceramic or use this for some complex chemistry in the future. And anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.